Well, I'm gonna check to make sure both the pads are wearing how they should. I mean, yeah, there are plenty of pad left. I don't really see any indication as to why they would squeal. Usually it is common when they're going in reverse for them to squeal, but it really depends on what kind of pad you put on here. Do you know what kind of pad was put on here?
Honestly, I guess you can't tell from what's on there. I don't say it wasn't sterilized. Maybe it was something different.
Because sometimes it could be the pad itself.